Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most frequently used words in daily life. Hello.
Ciao.
Bye.
Arrivederci.
Yes.
Sì.
No.
No.
Thank you.
Grazie.
You're welcome.
Prego.
Sorry.
Mi dispiace.
How are you?
Come stai?
Good.
Bene.
Bad.
Male.
It's okay.
Così così.
Maybe.
Forse.
Of course.
Certo. Io.
You.
Tu.
You.
Lei.
He.
Lui.
She.
Lei.
We.
Noi.
They.
Loro.
What?
Che.
When?
Quando.
Where?
Dove.
Why?
Perché.
How?
Come.
Quiz time.
Tu. Tu. Certo. Certo.
The answer is
Grazie. Grazie. Arrivederci. Arrivederci.
The correct answer is
Quando? Quando? Mi dispiace. Mi dispiace.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next video.